Okay, so here we got an F3990 Kubota, and we're just gonna keep it simple today. We're just gonna do an oil change. First things first, let's lift it up like that. And we're gonna go to our fill and take that out. Down at the bottom, either side, whatever simpler for you. You can go down, and right here, there's a drain plug. Give you guys a better view. Oh, come on. And this thing has a lot of oil, so make sure your drain pan is empty. Okay, on the driver's side, you're gonna see the oil filter right here. And if you have another oil pan, unless you're gonna have to wait for your drain pan, I should say. But if you have two, then go ahead and try to get this out. You can see I'm having a hard time fitting these. What the? Oh, come on, mate. Just get out of here. There we go. Boom. And if you want to save some money, some oil filters, MSL 51334. And like I said, we're on a budget, so microguard it is. Let's go ahead and throw that on. Kubota said we can use this 1540 diesel oil. Just gonna lube up our ring. We're gonna throw that on. And we're gonna hand tighten it. And for this, for the drain plug, I should say, it's a good idea to change your crush washer. Okay, then we're gonna put this back on. Once you got your drain bolt on, you definitely don't want to tighten it with this. So we're gonna switch over to a regular ratchet. Using one hand right now. And now, I don't know how many foot-pounds it is, but we're gonna snug it up. We're gonna go ahead, let's put that funnel and fill it up. We just finished using 1 gallon. This one's got about 1.5 quarts left, maybe a little bit less. Throw that in there, and you're gonna come over on this side. Your dipstick is located right here. You're gonna take a reading and see how much we got. Well, we're almost on the full line. Just want to put in a little bit more just to compensate for the oil filter being filled. Okay, after another 1/2 quart, but 6 quarts total, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let those glow plugs go for a bit. Alright, once you ran it for a while, go ahead and check the oil, and once you got that done, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.